Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras. Libras, I have your monthly reading in my other channel, guys, for the month of July. So if you are interested, you can watch that, guys. So I have shared the link in the description so you can watch that reading. And these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance. If you want more clarity, Libras, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. Libras. So let's start with these cards. We have Justice, King of Cups in reverse, and Temperance in reverse. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, Libras, you are someone, having certain ideals for yourself, uh, certain beliefs, and you have a particular way of handling any situation or doing things. So you stick to the rules you have for yourself and you expect others also to follow that, or maybe follow their own ideals strictly. And you are not someone who is ready to adapt or ready to be really flexible. So some kind of lack of flexibility or friendliness is there with you. So maybe you are a friendly person, guys, but sometimes you just expect people to be just like you, and that is not something you can expect of others. Maybe you are very responsible and dedicated, but people around you, they may not be like that to that extent you are. So that may be the reason for some misunderstanding, maybe with the people in your life, maybe with your friends, or maybe with your colleagues, or with this person, and their vision is different from yours. Again, that may be the reason for some troubles in this relationship, guys. Their ideas are different from yours. This person may have their own beliefs and their own way of working, and you have your own ideas and beliefs, and you don't want to listen to them, or they don't want to listen to you. So some misunderstanding because of that. And also, guys, Libras, in your circumstances, you may have a level of understanding with this person, but there are some things that you cannot get along, or maybe you do not have that clarity regarding something. So maybe your friends or family or your common friends, they may tell you certain things about this person. So some kind of rumor or gossip about them, and you feel really bad to hear that, and you don't want to hurt this person by finding out whether it is true or not. So some kind of confusion and doubts because of these rumors or gossips you hear about this person, Libras. So there is some kind of an uncertainty or vagueness in this relationship. You do not have that clarity, guys. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is 8 of Wands. So looks like things are speeding up, maybe things are changing, and whatever difficulties you were seeing, you are going to be really happy. You have great hopes or you can have great hopes for a brighter future for this relationship, guys. So things are going to just resolve. You are going to feel really happy and successful in this relationship. Maybe you will come to an understanding, you will know the reason for these gossips, or what was the truth behind these gossips. So some kind of clarity is coming your way, guys, Libras. So that is what I see with these cards, Libras, for your relationship. So for your career situation, we have 5 of Swords in reverse. So maybe in your work situation, you are making a lot of efforts, trying really hard, doing your best, trying your best. So you need to understand that, guys, though you are seeing some difficulties today, there may be some delays or suspensions in your work. Whatever the situation is, all your efforts are going to pay off. You can be happy for that, guys, Libras. You can be happy and you will be successful. Your efforts will never be wasted. Hard work will always pay off, guys, Libras. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading, guys. And please watch the monthly reading. It's in my other channel and I have shared the link in the description. You can watch that, guys, for more clarity. It's for the month of July, Libras. Thank you, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is Kyanite. It is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, this crystal stands for having that diplomacy, resolving disputes in our circumstances, and restoring harmony and mending the fences we have, and building bridges or connections with the people we care for. So in our relationship, this may be the time for you to be a bigger person, being really diplomatic, trying to connect with that other person and try to have that mutual understanding, guys. There is a reason for you to be with this person, guys. There is a reason this person is here in this relationship with you. And now to connect with them in a healthy way is to understand that you both are different. You must honor those differences. But diplomacy is going to be the thing that is going to help you mend the fences you both have. And you will be surprised how much you will, or your words will reach to that person if you say it lovingly, if you, instead of trying to prove your point logically, guys. So love is going to mend the fences you both have, and it will bring harmony in your relationship, guys. Maybe sometimes for some of you, it's possible that you have attracted this relationship where you are doing all that emotional work and this person is simply sucking your energy and they are not doing anything from their side. If that is the case, you can always say no. And if you feel that there will be no change with that other person, you can always end that relationship, guys. That is your choice. Know that it is okay. You want to free this conflict that way. But if you can do it with love, it is going to be much more better for you guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. This crystal spirit, it stands for harmony and balance in your relationship. So let's see what is the second card for you. For those who chose this second card, it is transformation. And again, a beautiful card, guys. So this card just means that there are people, maybe it may be one person or maybe someone, it may be two people or more than that. They are quite envious and jealous of you, jealous of your success in your career or jealous of your personal life. So they are trying to do things, trying to oppose you, trying to pull you down, bring obstacles and problems in your circumstances. But you need to understand that this is the time for you to handle your situation wisely. Do not give in to temptation. So you may be tempted to do certain things from this by this person. If you can avoid these temptations, you can live a life of peace and harmony. But even if you cannot, if you have given in to these temptations, you will be facing few consequences, but there is nothing wrong in that. You will have a better understanding, a better learning, more wisdom. So what you need to do, you will know for sure, guys. So in your relationship or in your personal life, you are going to use your intelligence and being self-reliant, being confident in yourself, and you're working towards a better situation for yourself. So there are a lot of positive transformation happening in your life today, guys. And you serve as an inspiration to younger people in your life, maybe your children or your sisters or brothers. You are their inspiration and you are the guidance. So the way you handle your circumstance is simply going to teach them the right things in life. And you need to understand that whatever good deeds you are doing today will never be wasted, guys. You will get it multifold in your life. So whatever goodness you do to others, you are going to receive, guys. You can rest assured on that. So that is the energy with this card. So this envy and jealousy, it's not going to last forever. There is going to be an end to it, and you are going to succeed in your life, guys, whatever you take up. But right now there may be some problems you are facing, some struggles you are facing, but you are going to overcome all that, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.